Hello friends, so I just thought I would share what Mountain River Family Campground looks like 5 months after Hurricane Helene. It seems like there's so much progress, yet still so much destruction everywhere. I don't know. It's a weird feeling. So yeah, let me give you guys a tour of what it looks like now. So even like our area is just so wild. Like, we still have all these cases of water because we still have no running water 5 months later because we don't have power restored to the property. You know, it's just, I don't know, it's wild. Still kind of living out of different trailers and stuff because we really only have one building, so that's been tough. Everything is still really brown, you know? Like, it's just brown. We hope to get some hydro seeding done in the next few weeks. So once we start the hydro seeding process and we get some grass, I know that it's going to be just a huge improvement for the aesthetics and just for our emotions. And it's just going to lift our spirits, seeing some greenery. And it's March now, so today is March 1st. Spring will be here soon. And hopefully we'll see the trees start to bud back out and flowers pop up. So yeah, I'm definitely excited for some greenery because we need it. So this is what the entrance still looks like. We have concrete and rebar that was pulled up from the bridge. There's still debris everywhere. Supposedly that's supposed to be finished getting cleaned up soon, but you know, you can't dump anymore on the state right away. That used to be what you would do, is you would dump it and then they would come and get it. You now are not allowed to dump anymore because it became such an issue, but yet they still haven't came to clean that up. So as you can see, there's so much concrete and rebar still. So would love to see that removed soon. And of course the bridge is still a mess. It's not paved. There's debris everywhere. The river is full of debris still. So hoping in the next couple weeks they are gonna come and clean all of that up, because that will be awesome and just lift everyone's spirits. And then hopefully we can get the road paved and get the bridge back to good order. So we still just have like supplies kind of strode out everywhere because, again, just only one building and we can't get everything in there. So yeah, it's kind of, we have all of our water totes still out here because that's the only way that we can get water to shower and stuff like that. So yeah, it just is, it's just wild. It looks like